Good morning, children. Welcome to your GK class. Today we will do a new page in GK. So get ready with your book, Know and Grow with Derek. So let's do page number 7, Championships, Trophies and Cups. This is all about chapter number 2, Sports Roundup. So we have to match this championships, trophies and cups with their sport, in which sports you get which type of trophies and cups and championships. So let's get started. Number 1, Copa Libertadores, FA Cup, Ballon d'Or. So this championship is given for football, that is number E, football. Number 2, Frank Worrell Trophy, Wisden Trophy, Trans-Tasman Trophy. So this is given for your cricket, number H, cricket. So you can match it with that. Number 3, Linares Dortmund MTEL Masters. So this is given for chess. So please write down number 3 beside chess. Number 4, Champions Trophy, Sultan Azlan Shah Cup, Asia Cup. This is given for hockey. This is also our national sport. So hockey, number 4. Next, number 5, Thomas Cup, Sue Demon Cup, All England. This is given for badminton, number B, badminton. And then we come to number 6, Davis Cup, Hop and Cuff Cup and Venus Rosewater Dish. This is given for tennis, number D. And next, number 7, Augusta Masters US Open, the Open Championship. This is given for golf, number F, golf. Number 8, NBA World Championship, European Championship. This is given for your basketball, number C, basketball. So please see it and match it correctly. And now we'll be doing the next page. We'll read about artistic gymnastic. So there are many types of gymnastic. You must be aware of gymnastic. So today we'll read about different types of gymnastic. Artistic gymnastic is divided into women's and men's gymnastic. Women compete in 4 events: vault, uneven bars, balance beam and floor exercise, while men compete in 6 events: floor exercise, pommel horse, steel rings, vault, parallel bars and horizontal bars. So artistic gymnastic is usually for classification is done into men and women, and women, they can stand for 4 events and men can stand for 6 events. So let's start. This is pommel horse. This is the pommel horse. Gymnasts must use only their hands to perform continuous circular movements around the horse. So you can see this is pommel horse, and here the gymnast must use only the hands. He stands erect and he have to perform continuous circular movements in the same position around the horse, which is given. Now this is steel rings and steel rings. So these are some of the gymnastic for men only. Steel rings or Roman rings is a true test of strength and balance. This is a test of strength and balance. While performing this routine, the gymnast must ensure that the rings do not swing too much. So you have two rings you can see here. So the gymnast must be stable in between, and this is the real test of strength and balance, because if it moves too much, that means that is not a proper gesture in this steel rings. This is also specially for men. So next one we'll read about is parallel bars. The parallel bars are a little more than shoulders wide apart. The gymnast performs a series of swings, balances and releases that require great strength and coordination. So parallel bars, here you can see there are 2 parallel bars over here. This type of bars are provided, and it is little more than a shoulders width apart. Your shoulders are kept just a weight apart, and the gymnast, he has to swing. He has to keep a space in between the bar and himself, and then he has to swing. So this is also a great test of strength and coordination between the bar and the gymnast. And this you can see is a balance beam. The next form is balance beam. Balance beam is one of the toughest apparatus in women's gymnastic. The gymnast performs a choreographed routine consisting of lifts, somersaults, and turns while balancing on this 10 centimeter white padded beam. So, this is a 10 centimeter padded beam is provided, in which the gymnast has to choreograph. Means she has to, like a dance, it is like she has to show her choreography, show along with the leaps, somersaults and turns on this padded beam only. So she can show any kind of leaps or gestures or somersaults which can be related to dancing activity also, which can be choreographed also. But she will do it only on this padded beam. So this is known as balance beam. She cannot go out of the beam, and this beam is about 10 centimeters only. So she has to do it here. So this is usually for women, and this is known as balance beam. Next is vault. You can see over here the gymnast performing this vault. In the vault, the gymnast steps onto the springboard to gain momentum, touches the vault with her or his hands, and then proceeds to do a series of twists and or somersaults in the air, landing on the feet on the far side. This is the event in which Deepa Karmakar just missed out a bronze at the 2016 Rio Olympics. So this all the gymnastics which are shown, this is all applicable for the men. Only women, there are only some selected ones for women, because a woman can participate only on the only on the 4 kinds of gymnastics. So in the vault you will see this the gymnast, she has to step on the springboard to gain the momentum, and she will touch this vault and with her hands, and then proceeds to do lot of twists, and she will do somersaults in the air, landing on their feet on far aside, landing on their feet to far aside, away from there. So this is also a very tough gymnastic. You can see this is this in this event there was a participant, Deepa Karmakar. She went for this in Rio Olympics, and she just missed out for a bronze at 2016 Rio Olympics. So this is all about the artistic Olympics, children. So we are doing only this much for today. So this much for your GK class today, children. Thank you very much.